Good afternoon, mm, Professor and my classmates. My name is Kai Sen. Today, I want to discuss an issue that deeply impacts both employees and organizations, worker stress, and its influence on negative employee attitudes and behaviors. Okay, let's see the outline for this presentation. First, we will talk the problem, and second, we will go through the theories and research, and then I will give the solutions. Finally, I will make a conclusion for this research. Okay, let's see the problem. Stress in workplace is both pervasive and multifaceted, as highlighted in Chapter 10 of our material. Worker stress arises from various sources. These include excessive workloads, under-utilization of skills, job ambiguity, and interpersonal conflicts. Stress is not merely a perception but can manifest as psychological or psychological reactions that significantly impact employees' well-being. Its effects are far-reaching, contributing to absenteeism, turnover, and decreased productivity. Stress can also lead to job burnout, characterized by emotional exhaustion, uh, depersonalization, and reduced personal accomplishment. This burnout cycle feeds negative employee attitudes, such as dissatisfaction and disengagement, which can culminate in counterproductive work behaviors, such as trainees reduce effort or even sabotage. Then let's see the theories and research. Understanding stress requires a multi-dimensional approach. Theories such as a job, characterized model, and the equality theory help explain how workers perceive their roles and organization support. The job characteristic model suggests that poorly designed job lacking autonomy, feedback, or meaningful tasks can drain employees of motivation and increase stress. Similarly, the equality theory explains how perception of unfair treatment can exacerbate feeling of stress and disengagement. From a psychological perspective, personality traits like type A behavior pattern, characterized by competitiveness and urgency, make some individuals more susceptible to stress. Low self-efficacy or doubt about one's abilities also amplify the negative effects of workplace challenges. Now, this is the research finding. Empirical studies underscore the relationship between stress and negative behaviors. For instance, chronic workplace stress is linked to a 50% increase in voluntary turnover and a 37% increase in absenteeism, according to several organizational behavior journals. Furthermore, disengaged disengaged employees are less likely to display organization citizenship behaviors, such as helping college or contributing to team success. Now, let's shift focus to solutions, because acknowledging the problem is only the first step. The first way, individual coping strategies. Encourage employees to adopt stress management techniques such as systematic relaxation, time management, and cognitive restructuring. Evidence shows that mindfulness and meditation programs can reduce stress-related illnesses by up to 30%. Provide resources for physical well-being, such as gym membership or dietary consultations. Regular exercise reduces cortisol levels, the harmony associated with stress. The second way, organization in interventions. The first one is job redesign. Following the job characteristic model, organizations should ensure that roles are enriched with autonomy, variety, and clear responsibility to foster engagement and satisfaction. Improved communication. As detailed in Chapter 11, open and transparent communication reduces uncertainty and builds trust, mitigating stress during time of change. And work-life balance. Flexible schedules, remote work options, and on-site childcare and elevate work-family conflicts, a significant source of stress for many employees. And the third way, leadership's role. Leadership sets the tone for workplace culture. Transformation leaders who inspire and empower employees can create environment where stress is minimized. Additionally, training managers to recognize and respond to signs of burnout ensures that interventions happen before issues escalate. Last is conclusion. Worker stress and negative attitudes are significant challenges, but they are not insurmountable. By combining individual strategies with organization interventions and strong leadership, we can create workplaces that are not just productive but also supportive and resilient. Thank you for our watch.